My name is Shahrukh and you are watching English with Shahrukh. Today we are going to learn about pronouns. Today is 9th of December and we are going to learn about pronouns. Actually, I was teaching some students the reflexive and emphasizing pronouns. Well, we'll also learn this, but before this, we will learn the pronoun itself. This is the two important types. These are the two important types of pronouns, and we will learn this too, but not right now. After learning the pronouns. So join as soon as possible. The class will begin at 6:10 p.m. So who is live with me, stay with me for 6 minutes and then we will start. And if you are new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe. I use the English language to take the class because I believe that there is no point of learning a language if you are not able to speak it. Languages are used to express your thoughts and feelings. This is what I believe. Four minutes to go. So whoever is with me right now, comment your names. Are you from that WhatsApp group, English with Shahrukh? Let me your names in the comment section. Obviously, some of you may have learned this topic, but we are going to look some new things about this. Ishan Alam, long time no see. How are you, Ishan? Where have you been? Where were you? Okay, tell me in which topic you want to have this class. Is it pronoun itself or any other topic? I am also fine. Actually, you once told me to teach prepositions, right? And what else? Okay, pronoun. Very good. So 1 minute to go. Stay with me in this class, and at 6:10 we are going to begin the class. Okay, so the class is about to start. Let's first look at the word itself, pronoun. Well, when we know the meaning of the word itself, it tells a lot of things, right? So the pronoun word has two words in it, like pro, and there is noun. You must have know about this noun thing, right? You are familiar with this noun. Noun is the name of people or person, places, things like materials, and emotions. And the pro word is a prefix of this noun. Prefix means the word used in place of. Prefix का मतलब क्या होता है? किसी के बदले में इस्तेमाल किया जाने वाला वर्ड. I mean in the place of noun. के बदले में या के जगह में. Right? So this is a very easy topic to understand. The words we use in place of a noun are called pronouns. The words we use in the place of nouns are called pronouns. And what does that exactly mean? Let's look at a sentence. Rahul is a boy. Sorry, Rahul is a teacher. Rahul is a teacher. Rahul teaches English. So there are two sentences that I have written here. One is Rahul is a teacher, and the second sentence is Rahul teaches English. Well, both of the sentences are about Rahul. This is a noun, proper noun. Okay. So in the second sentence, we can use other words in the place of this noun to make this sentence, to make this phrase or speech more, not lengthy but shorter. Obviously, because Rahul is a very short name, so we can even use this, but it is better to use a shorter word to use here. And the appropriate word is here he. Well, there are other pronouns as well, but the appropriate one is he because it is a subject. It follows the grammatical properties of this person because he is a masculine gender. We cannot use here she because it is a feminine, it belongs to feminine gender. We cannot use him because it is an object, not a subject. I will tell you everything about pronouns here. Just stay with me. Okay, network disturb हो रहा है. Actually, I cannot do anything with that. I'm sorry for that. Okay, कल स्कूल में रिजल्ट देगा. I hope you get good marks there. Okay, is it okay now? No, I also can see some jitters. Let me see, is there anything wrong with the network? Okay, is it okay right now? Tell me, Ishan, and whoever is watching. Okay, okay, it will get better over time. So just so so now I hope you got it. What are pronouns? Pronouns are the words that used in the place of nouns. Okay, ऐसे words जो हम लोग noun के बदले में या noun के जगह में इस्तेमाल करते हैं, pronouns कहलाते हैं. I'll write a very brief definition of this. A word used in the place, in the, not only place, in place of noun is called pronoun. It is a very short and brief definition of pronoun. A word used in place of noun is called pronoun. Okay. Now let's talk about its types. These are very important, and among those 7 or 8 types, 3 types are very important, and I'll teach them one by one. So let's look about its types. There are mainly 7 types of pronouns. First is personal pronoun. Personal pronouns. Well, there is a word in this word as well, like person. So person means people, human, or living things, not animals, by the way. So the pronouns that are used in the place of persons, that are called personal pronouns. For example, I, you, he, she, etc. The second number is interrogative pronouns. Well, not WH words are considered as interrogative pronouns, but there are some. For example, what, which, who, etc. The third number is demonstrative pronouns. These are only 4 words. and very familiar. Like these words are very famous, like this is a ball, this is an apple. We must have heard in our childhood. This for singular, and which things are that are in our proximity, and that is used for things are that out of our proximity with singular thing. These are for plural, and and those for plural things. I hope you guys are getting. Do you understand whatever I say, or I should switch to Hindi? Like as I always said, the reason I speak English because you guys will listen more to this language, and your English will better over the time. Okay, let me know in the comment section. Should I switch to Hindi, or is it okay if I continue in English? Ishan, tell me. Okay, very good. That's my boy. Okay, now let's proceed. So, demonstrative pronouns, there are only four words: this, that, these, and those. And they also represent the demonstrative adjectives as well. So, while I'll teach you adjectives in this channel, I will let you know and I'll differentiate both of them at that time, not right now. Because to differentiate and distinguish these two things, I have to teach at least one first. Okay, now let's talk about the fourth one: personal, interrogative, demonstrative, reflexive, or emphasizing pronouns. These are also one of the important types of pronouns. Myself, ourselves, because it is a plural, etc. And as I have said earlier, that I will teach three types, briefly, not briefly, but I will explain them quite well after this class. The first one is personal pronoun, second one is that reflexive pronoun, and possessive pronouns. Okay. Fifth number is none other than relative pronouns. Examples are which is also a kind of relative pronoun, that is also a relative pronoun, etc. Sixth number is indefinite pronouns. Okay, many a time you guys have said these words like someone, anything, because you do not know the quantity of these things, so you describe like anything, many thing, someone, right? So we use this in indefinite pronouns. Let's look at the seventh type, like possessive pronouns. We use these pronouns on regular basis: mine, yours, theirs, there is a e here, hers, etc. I'll explain these three in this video, maybe if we get time, enough time. Okay, if you guys have notebook with yourself, note it down, then we'll proceed. Okay guys, have you completed, have you noted down? Okay, you can do it later as well. Let's look at the first type of pronoun, the personal pronouns. So the words that we use in place in the nouns which are of persons, they are called personal pronouns. They are around seven types. There are about 7 or 8 personal pronouns, and they are divided into two parts. The first is as used as subject. If you don't know about subject, let me know in the comment section. I will tell you. And the other one is used as objects. So the pronouns that we use in the place of subject are as follows: I, we, both of them are first person, you, second person, third person singular, he, she, it, right? Third person plural, they. This is the only word to describe third person plurals. These are used as subjects. How many of them are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As I said, there are 7 personal pronouns that are used in subjects. So there will be 7 objects as well, because these subjects require an object if we talk about these as objects. For example, I means मैं. Let me tell you in Hindi. मैं, and there is an object of I, that is me. What does that mean? That means मुझे. What is the meaning of we? हम लोग. And object of we is us. Let me first write the object, then I will tell the meanings of it. So you subject is also you, the object of you is also you. The object of he is him. The object of she is her. The object of it is it. And they are always written as the smaller forms of their first letter, because they are object. Like where do we write objects? After the verb. So especially it is the end of the sentences. It is they. The object of they is them. Okay. So now let's write the Hindi meanings of these words. So us, हम लोगों को, हम लोगों को. You, तुम, तुमको. What do we write? तुमको if it is an object. He, वह, she, वह, him, उसे, her, उसे, it, ये, इसे और उसे. We use it with the non-living things mostly. वे, उन लोगों, वह लोग, सॉरी नॉट उन लोग, वह लोग। इन ऑब्जेक्ट, उन लोगों को, राइट। Okay, I will write some examples of these pronouns with one another. Okay, let me tell you how. For example, वह लोग मुझे पसंद करते हैं, राइट। लेट मी राइट द हिंदी वन। वह लोग मुझे पसंद करते हैं। Right, this is the English sentence. Yes, sorry, this is the Hindi sentence. So here is the subject where log, so we have to write they here because it is used in a subject. And what is the object? Mujhe. So we should use me. And what is the verb here? Pasand. Pasand karte. Yani pasand karna means to like. So let's write the subject first as the structure says they. Okay, this is third person plural, so we will not add any s or es here. So they like. And what is the object? Me. They like me. These three words are enough to translate this Hindi sentence. Can you see this? Is it visible? Yes, it is visible. Okay, now वह लोग तुम्हें ढूंढ रहे हैं, वह तुम्हें ढूंढ रहा है, वह तुम्हें। ओके, सो वी कैन यूज तुम्हें एज वेल हियर। वह लोग तुम्हें ढूंढ रहे हैं, वह तुम्हें ढूंढ रहा है, वह तुम्हें ढूंढ रहा है। So it is because raha tells us the masculinity of this subject, so we will use he here, right? If there was rahi, वह तुम्हें ढूंढ रही है, so we would have used she. Okay, so he, now it is in a continuous form and present continuous, so the helping verb we will use here is. Okay. Okay, now what is the verb for ढूंढना? So it is looking. Well, there is another word seeking, but when we look for a person we use look, not seek. Seek means also ढूंढना या खोजना, but we will use look. She is looking for, what is the object of तुम्हें? It is you. So you is a singular, plural, subject and object. It's a very unique word itself. One word, four grammatic properties: singular, plural, subject and object. So he is looking for you. This is the correct translation for the Hindi sentence. So comment a sentence using this word as an object. You guys write the English sentence, I will translate it in the Hindi. Very good, Ishan. He is looking for you. Yeah, that is called the knowledge, information. Like what is correct, it will be correct for you, it will be correct for me, and it will be correct for anyone who knows this language and anyone who learns patiently, effectively, right? We are looking for me. Well, your sentence is correct, but this is not natural, it looks artificial because हम लोग मुझे ढूंढ रहे हैं. How it could be possible in practical life? So it is better if you change the subject or object. We are looking for me. Your structure is accurate. There is no wrong. There is nothing wrong with the structure, but it is not natural. I appreciate that you at least try. Many people does not have this courage to even try because they are afraid of failure. We are looking for him. Very good. This is the correct sentence. So I will translate this in Hindi. We are looking for him. हम लोग उसे ढूंढ रहे हैं. Okay. So this is how we can use these pronouns as subjects and objects. So this one word, it. What is it? It. I can't find my mobile. Where is it? So it is I have used it as an object here, okay, because it is after the verb. It is written after the verb, so we can use it this way. So suppose you know where is my phone, so you can tell it is in the drawer. Suppose it is in the drawer, so what will you answer? It is in the drawer. In the drawer, right? So we used it as a subject and here I used it as an object. Okay, am I clear enough, Ishan? This is how we use it. So what are the other two important types of pronouns that I will teach? The second one is reflexive or emphasizing pronouns. Tomorrow I will teach about reflexive or emphasizing pronouns. So come at 6 o'clock. Okay. Okay guys, see you tomorrow.